Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Autoclicker. And so what you're going to want to do is, I found a really good, pretty efficient Autoclicker that's pretty simple. And so first of all, you're probably going to want to use Google, so go to Google. And then you're going to want to look up GS Autoclicker. And it's the first one. And the reason I use this one is because it has a really simple UI, and it's pretty easy. I mean, I've never seen it stick before, and I mean, it's an auto clicker. All it does is click, and so I mean, the cons aren't really an issue here. And so then you're gonna want to click the let's see if we can click the right download, because it seems like there's a whole bunch of them. And another good rule of thumb is that if you can drag the download, then it's just an ad, not an actual download. And so the download is up here, and it's again going to try to give you a whole bunch of downloads. Never click on these, and you're going to click on alternative download, and so it's going to say it's downloading or whatever, and then this will pop up. And this is a totally safe file. I've used it a ton of times, so don't be too scared to try it. And so save the file, and again, more ads, more download requests. And then if you're using Firefox or whatever, you're going to want to click up here. And right now Norton's scanning it on my computer. It says it's safe down there, and so there you have it. It's a safe file. Alright, so, and it has a little 1 here because I've downloaded the setup before, obviously. So I just uninstalled the service so I can show you guys how to do it. So you're going to click yes, and then so here's the setup wizard. And then anytime you use a setup wizard, you want to make sure that essentially occasionally they try to force extra programs in there, and so you're going to want to avoid downloading those because it might mess up some things like the browser you have. So I mean, that's a fine location. That looks good. And create a desktop icon. It doesn't look like it tries to give you any extra files, so click install and then finish. It goes launch at the GS Autoclicker. Alright, so here's the little Autoclicker, and so the hotkey is F8. And so the next thing you want to do with this Autoclicker is you want this window to go away whenever you start auto-clicking, or else it'll just click right here over and over and over, and it'll just be pretty irritating. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to options, and let's see, settings, view, and then you're going to click hide when it is clicking, and then press OK. And then so once you click it, so let's press F8 and see what happens. And it's auto clicking now, and click that ad, and now it brings us to a questionable website. And I pressed F8 again, and then it stopped the auto clicking. And so now that's just running in the background, so whenever you're playing a game, if your computer has been running, then essentially you can just do that. And essentially all you have to do is, if your computer shuts down, you need to reopen the program. So in any game that you think you might need to auto-click, you can now use this. I wouldn't recommend using the auto-clicker in games that specifically ban them, as that can result in you getting your stats wiped, or you even getting removed from the game. So if they say don't use it, you probably shouldn't use it, even though many people do. And so just be careful with this. It's not necessarily banned by Roblox. I've never heard of anyone getting banned for auto-clicking, as there are even mouses that you can buy that are more expensive that allow you to auto-click. And so as long as you have this easy feature, it can give you a nice advantage in games where it's allowed.
Yeah, just hang out. Watch.
And so thanks for watching this video, and be sure to follow the instructions very carefully so you don't get any viruses or anything, and make sure you download the right thing. Thanks for watching.